the only 6 basic makeup essentials you need. These 6 products are enough to help you create a polished and put together face every day. Even the most seasoned beauty lovers are likely to have some iteration of these 6 key cosmetics in their makeup kits. Number 1. Foundation. A good makeup base is essential to refining the appearance of your skin. Foundation, regardless of formula, is meant to even out your skin tone and sheer out any discolorations or blemishes you wish to hide. Expect a little trial and error when selecting the best finish or the perfect shade. Luckily, there are tons of foundation reviews and online shade selectors to check out. Here are some key factors to consider when shopping around for the right foundation. Skin type: oily, dry, combination, or sensitive. Your skin type can help determine if you should choose a more lightweight powder type base or opt for a liquid or cream formula. Consider matte foundations to help stave off oiliness, or hydrating, glow-giving ones to help combat dry or dull skin. Coverage. If you want a natural look, sheer foundations might be your best bet. If you're looking to cover up more than you like to show, consider more pigmented formulas. When in doubt, get a sample of an oil-free, liquid foundation in the best shade to match your skin. It should be easy to apply and buildable, hopefully making foundation a little more foolproof for a beginner. Number 2. Concealer. Similar to foundation, a good concealer helps hide any imperfections and gives your skin a boost. Concealers may help reduce the appearance of dark circles or unsightly marks on your face. Choosing a concealer. If you've never used concealers before, be aware that different formulas and finishes offer different benefits or effects. Here's a basic primer to guide you in selecting the ones you may be looking for. Liquid concealer. Usually in a tube with an applicator. More lightweight and blendable, but pigmented enough to spot conceal blemishes and go over wrinkled or crepey skin more smoothly. Cream concealer. Good for balancing out redness or discoloration on larger areas of the face. It's best applied out of the pot or by using a stick or a sponge. Brightening concealer. Either in cream or liquid. Formulated with more light-catching pigments, this concealer may help hide the appearance of dark circles underneath the eye area. Number 3. Eyeshadow. Now that you've prepped your skin with foundation and concealer, it's time to focus on playing up your features. Eyeshadow is a good way to accentuate your natural eye shape. Invest in a basic eyeshadow palette with the right mix of light and dark shades. Neutral shadow shades can really help open up and brighten the eyes. Adding a touch of medium to darker hues may help add definition. Like most makeup products, eyeshadow comes in a variety of finishes and formulas. Makeup beginners might want to select a cream or powder eyeshadow formula. Both are easy to swipe on and blend with either your finger or a brush. Number 4. Mascara. Mascara can complete your eye makeup look no matter how simple. Applying a swipe or two of a good mascara, like City Beauty's Beyond Mascara, on your curled lashes can help add length, volume, and definition. All good things you want to aim for if you want to look bright-eyed. Even if you aren't wearing any eye makeup, defining your eyes with a coat of mascara is an easy way to look more put together. Number 5. Blush. No matter the season, a pop of blush is essential to giving your face that healthy and youthful glow. Whether you're more comfortable blending a cream blush on with your fingers or swiping a pigmented powder on with a fluffy brush, a little color can go a long way. After all, that rosy flush never goes out of style. All you need is a flattering blush shade you can wear all year round. Number 6. Lipstick or lip gloss. A swipe of lipstick is one of the easiest ways to look more polished. So your beginner makeup kit shouldn't be without at least one pretty shade that helps light up your smile. If you're feeling daunted by the deep reds many makeup mavens seem to rock effortlessly, you can ease into lip color with lightweight lip gloss or a tinted balm. Want to feel more confident about wearing lipstick and lip gloss? Try investing in a basic nude color that adds a little touch of color. A light pink, mauve, or rose shade can be universally flattering and add a little bit of warmth to your features. Practice makes perfect. Once you have a fully decked out makeup kit full of the best basics, take time to patiently practice. This way, you'll learn to perfect the ideal techniques to apply your products. Remember to arm yourself with a good makeup remover for the inevitable mishaps and enjoy your journey into mastering makeup. Thanks for watching, City Beauties. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next video.